Hi, my name is Karch Smith. I'm a medical student at the University of Utah School of Medicine in Salt Lake City, and I'm here to discuss our JBJS article titled The Relationship of Sex Hormone Deficiency to the Incidence of Rotator Cuff Repair, Analysis of a Large Insurance Database. In brief, we conducted two retrospective analyses of patients from two separate databases who underwent rotator cuff repair surgery, collecting for cases and controls matched for age, sex, and years in the database, and compared rotator cuff repair status with regard to estrogen deficiency and testosterone deficiency. We found that the odds of undergoing rotator cuff repair surgery in females who were low in estrogen was 48% higher than females who were not estrogen deficient. We also found that the odds of having rotator cuff repair surgery in males who were low in testosterone was 89% higher than those without low testosterone. What led us to conduct this study was a finding in one of the previous studies conducted by Dr. Tajan and Dr. Chalmers of the Shoulder and Elbow Research Team at the University of Utah, where a polymorphism in the estrogen-related receptor beta gene was shown to be significantly associated with full-thickness rotator cuff disease and with failure of rotator cuff repair. As we conducted a review of the literature, the potential connection between sex hormone deficiency and rotator cuff disease was apparent in the animal literature, however sparse in human studies. This prompted us to conduct our analysis. I think one of the strongest takeaways from this article is that it augments the hypothesis that the etiology of rotator cuff disease is complex, multifactorial, and not simply limited to mechanical overuse. It has been shown that systemic factors such as diabetes, hyperlipidemia, osteoporosis, and smoking all associate with rotator cuff disease. Our study demonstrates the positive association between sex hormone deficiency and rotator cuff repair. To be honest, it surprised us how strong of an association there was between testosterone deficiency and rotator cuff repair, which opened the door to further questions for our research group. I think the question that is still unanswered from our study is the mechanistic role of sex hormones in rotator cuff disease, the magnitude of that role, and whether or not these endocrine factors can be targeted as a future intervention for rotator cuff tendinopathy. We are currently working to answer these questions through animal studies, prospective trials, as well as randomized controlled trials. Thank you.